You made my life a testimony, Baba. You heal my life, Ojiji Mbamo. The things you do, I cannot fathom it. And that is why I call you Ojiji Mbamo. You made my life a huge testimony, Baba. You heal my life, Ojiji Mbamo, Baba Mo. The things you do, I cannot explain all. And that is why I call you Ojiji Mbamo. And this is me dancing behind the scene after I got a very beautiful and sweet review concerning this Afang soup, this Akwa soup. Afang soup is a very rich food soup in Nigeria which can never be underestimated. It is owned by the Akwa Ibomites. From people from Cross River, Calabar, they are the one that owns the soup. I made it for my client and she gave me a beautiful review, and this is me dancing towards that review. And my children all gather. You see this thing they call motherhood. Anybody that tells you that motherhood is easy, forget it. They are just deceiving you. Had it been our mothers told us concerning motherhood, I know many of us, even people like me, might not even want to be in marriage, because what we are seeing here is not easy. We are only taking the grace of God to survive it. And this is me behind the market where I went to Oyoyo market. Very soon, I'll be going to this market to do a full vlogging concerning this market to everyone. This is the biggest food market in Nigeria. And this is me behind the scene where I got the things I used making that sweet sumptuous Afang soup. This is me pricing waterleaf. This is fresh leaf from the bush, straight from the farm to the market. This is me getting the leaf that I used to make that soup that the customer give a beautiful review. My darlings, see, you see, we business people, it is not easy. You do the market vlogging, you do the cooking, you do the videoing, you do the editing. It's not easy. Anybody that tell you that YouTube work is easy, go and tell the person to give it a trial. And you see, this is me trying to fuel myself. After all that, you need to feel yourself. You need to appreciate yourself. This is me appreciating the beauty of God in my life for making me beautiful and at the same time a very good cook. You see, this is me, beautiful Esther, Queen Esther of New Generation. Thank you guys. If you are watching me for the first time, kindly subscribe, like, and comment. If you are my old returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting. God bless you all. And please don't skip my ads when you're watching. Don't skip the advert. God bless you as you do so. Have a beautiful weekend ahead of you. Bye-bye.